this video, I am going to show you how to play two-player on Minecraft for Nintendo Switch offline. First, make sure you have the game installed on your Nintendo Switch and that both players have their own Joy-Con controllers or Pro controllers ready to use. Start by launching Minecraft on your Nintendo Switch. Once the game loads, select Play from the main menu. You can either create a new world or choose an existing one. If you're creating a new world, customize the settings as desired, then select Create. After the world is loaded, the second player can join the game. To do this, they need to press the plus button on their Joy-Con or Pro controller to connect. If both controllers are already paired to the Switch, the second player will automatically be prompted to join the game. Once both players are in the game, you can explore the world together, build structures, and complete quests as a team. Remember to communicate and strategize as you play to make the most out of your gaming experience. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.